So for variant analysis, the mapping is a very crucial step in the analysis. So you're typically going to use reads that are as long as possible, so longer than 100 base pairs. And you are going to use a very accurate mapper for aligning them to the genome sequence. So for variant analysis, you will typically use either BWA-MEM or Minimap2 for mapping the reads. BWA-MEM is the traditional mapper that is used for variant analysis. It's able to map to alternate haplotypes of the human genome. For more information, I refer to the next video on the e-learning system. It is a very accurate mapper, but it's very slow. And it performs a traditional BLAST-like alignment. So what is different from BLAST? Well, BLAST will map sequences to a whole database of sequences. And here in BWA-MEM and also in Bowtie here, you are going to map your reads against this huge genome sequence. So you use exactly the same algorithm as BLAST, but it's a different thing that you map to. Instead of a database of sequences, you map to the genome sequence. So, and because these algorithms need to map the reads to this huge genome sequence, they will handle the genome sequence differently than BLAST handles the database of sequences that it aligns to. So these mappers, they make the genome more compact, so it will fit in the memory of a regular computer. Minimap2 was originally developed for mapping long reads, so reads coming from PacBio or Oxford Nanopore, but it proved to be as accurate as BWA-MEM on short Illumina reads and 3 times as fast. So this is why more and more people are now switching to Minimap2 for mapping reads for variant analysis. All other applications that involve DNA reads will use Bowtie or Bowtie 2 for mapping the reads to the genome sequence. Both Bowtie and BWA use more or less the same algorithm, so an algorithm that is very similar to the BLAST algorithm. But Bowtie and BWA differ mostly in the way that they process the reference genome. So the Bowtie implementation is a bit faster than the BWA, but it's also a bit less accurate. There are 2 versions of Bowtie, Bowtie and Bowtie 2. So Bowtie is for very short reads, while Bowtie 2 is for reads that are longer than 50 bases. All these mappers are command line tools that are integrated in Galaxy.